The Sony Xperia 5 IV is a compact flagship that proves big power can come in a perfectly balanced size. If you love premium design, professional camera features, and immersive entertainment, this smartphone is made for you. Welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today we're diving deep into one of Sony's most refined creations, the Sony Xperia 5 IV. Right from the first look, the Xperia 5 IV feels premium. It features a sleek glass and metal design that's comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. Unlike many oversized smartphones in today's market, this device keeps things compact without sacrificing performance. The 6.1-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers ultra-smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. Thanks to Sony's Bravia-inspired display technology, watching movies and YouTube videos feels cinematic and incredibly sharp. Under the hood, the Xperia 5 IV is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, paired with 8GB RAM. Performance is blazing fast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this phone handles everything effortlessly. The gaming experience is enhanced with smooth frame rates and minimal heating, making it a reliable device for mobile gamers. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where Sony truly shines. The Xperia 5 IV features a triple 12-megapixels camera system with real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals. Inspired by Sony's Alpha camera technology, it allows you to capture professional quality shots with stunning detail and natural colors. The 4K HDR video recording at 120 FPS is a dream for content creators. If you run a YouTube channel or love shooting cinematic videos, this phone gives you full manual control just like a professional camera. Selfie lovers aren't left behind either. The upgraded 12-megapixels front camera captures clearer and more detailed selfies, even in low light. Sony has also included powerful audio features like stereo speakers and support for high-resolution audio. Plus, it still keeps the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack, something rare in modern flagship phones. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. And with fast charging and wireless charging support, you're never out of power for long. Sony also focuses heavily on battery health, ensuring long-term durability. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 5 IV is not just a smartphone, it's a compact powerhouse designed for creators, gamers, and entertainment lovers. It combines professional camera tools, flagship performance, immersive audio, and elegant design in one premium package. If you want a powerful yet compact Android flagship, the Xperia 5 IV deserves serious attention. Stay tuned to Upcoming Smartphones Hub for more exciting tech reviews and smartphone updates.